The ketogenic diet is introduced as an obvious weight loss when using body fat as energy source. Basically, the ketogenic diet is mainly using fat. The human body generates adenosine triphosphate, which is called ATP, as an energy through a process called cellular respiration. This process consists of three parts: glycolysis, Krebs cycle, and the electron transport chain. By using the carbohydrate glucose in glycolysis, the human cells start cellular respiration. If glucose levels are low, the body will store glycogen and break it down into its glucose substituents. When under low supply of carbohydrates, the body must depend on other alternative sources to satisfy the energy demands. Therefore, ketosis state is in process, where it breaks down high-energy fat molecules called triglyceride abundant in adipose tissue. Butter is an emulsion of 80% milk fat, 20% of water, and vitamins that often by turning cream. 10 grams of butter contains 72 calories. Saturated fat can increase the level of high-density lipoprotein, the good cholesterol, and low-density lipoproteins. But then converting them into large LDL particles does not contribute to cardiovascular disease. Meats tend to be very nutritious, and bacon is no exception. A 100-gram portion of bacon usually contains high animal proteins, carbs, and less sugar, high fats, including saturated fat, and a lot of vitamins, and decent amount of clean minerals. The fat in bacon is considered as heart healthy, since it has half content of monounsaturated fatty acids, and a majority part of those oleic acid. 40% is saturated fat, cholesterol, which is not harmful to our body due to having no effect cholesterol in the blood. Lettuce is the recommended in top 10 of low-carb vegetable for keto. It's low of carbs and sugar, involving of vitamins and minerals, and only 1 calorie per leaf. In the short term, this causes headache and dizziness. This must be balanced with high amount of water and sodium. That's why we choose high sodium content in butter other than less salt butter. Another effect is, in the first 5 months, individual can have hair loss. To get this, you have to sleep up to 8 hours a night. As we have mentioned before, high HDLs respond to increased cholesterol. However, it's a good effect of heart disease.